Fish out here a lot?
No, my first time out here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's kayaks and flats fishing and everything else.
Man, I appreciate that.
No problem, buddy.
What's your name?
Robert.
All right, I'm Alex.
You have a good day.
Hey, you too.
Good luck.
All right, appreciate the rooster tail, man.
No problem.
Something tiny. Well. Hey. Yeah. I'm good. How y'all doing? Elkcorn Creek bluegill. Yeah, got a fish actually. Woo! How about that? Finally got a little smallmouth. See, buddy. Oh man, I had him, a good one too. Dang, that was a good one. Oh man, I had him, a good one too.
Is that what it was saying?
Look, Carson, he's got him a fish.
Hey.
Well, you're good luck charm now.
Yeah, y'all are. How you doing, buddy?
How's it going?
Hey, pretty good, y'all.
Yeah, alright. You got anything else?
I caught one smallmouth and one bluegill. It's been a little bit slow.
There you go.
No, he's pooping. I'm getting him back.
There he is.
I lost. Yeah. He come smoke this little popper. What you got here, buddy? A little largy. I've seen better days. That was pretty wicked all the same. That was epic. I lighted it. Thought it was a smallmouth. I guess these creek largies can fight just as hard when they're used to being in the current. Come smoked it. Little whopper plopper.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new here, I normally do catch fish. Rain has spoiled my last 2 attempts at even going out. I attempted once Tuesday and once Saturday, and both times, just as soon as I was like, okay, I'm gonna go fish, it started downpour. Even though it wasn't like really awesome day of fishing, I still wanted to edit it and upload it. So thanks for watching. Like I said, if you're new here, go check out some of my other videos. I do catch fish. And also, if you fish Elkcorn, let me know in the comment section and tell me your favorite lures and tell me how to fish it. Like I said, it's been raining and sometimes that throws fishing off. Like it raises oxygen levels and gets temperature different, you know. So it kind of messes with the fish, and probably why it wasn't so great. I'll probably attempt to go back another day. That was the first time I'd ever kayak fished it. I had bank fished it a little bit. Wrong angling. Like, comment, subscribe, get on the water, and get you some.